Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to go up immediately. Like, this one is I'm not just sending it. I'm not just going to film it and drop it. Just try it. If you like pranks, you like doing pranks, you try it and put the link down in the comment section and I'll watch it. Little disclaimer for this before we start this video. This video is not in any way promoting any kind of violence. Like, this is just a video that I'm creating for like people that love makeup and also love to do pranks, but use at your own risk. If this video is going to be trigger worthy for you, please click off this video, because I promote like happiness on this channel and I would not want any of you feeling somehow when you guys watch this video. So just click away, click the link down below for my next video. Fashi this video, you don't have to do it, man. I care about you, so please follow my Facebook page. I just opened this up like I think last year and I've not been doing anything on it, so I want to like get back into it and start posting and be more consistent and grow my page, and also follow my Instagram. So please guys, just click the link down below to go straight to my Facebook page and click the link to go to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, let's go this family. And please like, comment, share this video. We're not going to be doing anything too crazy. It's just going to be working on this eye. As you can see, my eye bags are bigger here, so it will be better to work with this eye than this one, but we shall be doing the face. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's start. So I want to be showing you guys what like exactly I'm going to be using, all the things I will be using, and they're not much. We're only going to be using these three stuffs, like my blush brush, my blending sponge, my beauty sponge, and my small fluffy brush, because it's the only one that's not been stained with other kinds of colors. I'll be using these three products: my romantic eyeshadow palette, my Kiss Beauty highlight contour palette. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to this video, to this channel, the big red button down below that says subscribe. Please click the bell icon to get notified anytime I post new videos. And to all my new viewers, hopefully subscribers, I hope you guys stay a long time, join this family. And to all my old viewers that have not watched it, that have watched my videos and you have not yet subscribed, please take a minute to like pause, like take a second. So I'll be using this contour palette, this Kiss Beauty contour palette, and I'll be using the Robert Signature eyeshadow trio, just because I don't have any eyeshadow that has this dark brown. I don't have like this dark brown color. It's very dark and it's a bit on the shimmery shade. So we're going to just be putting a little bit of foundation so my eye bags will match to my face, so I'll not be looking like somehow. I'm not doing any other thing. I'm using my classic eyeshadow liquid foundation. I'm just putting just a little. Like, I was reading up something last night and I saw something about like this making, like doing a like special effects bruised eye, like how they do like bruised eye in movies, in American movies. And the first thing that will pop up is this Mehora, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, this Mehora bruised, what do they call it again? Mehora bruise.
2 hours later.
Okay, yes, they call it the Mehora bruise. Meron Pro Coloring Bruise Palette. It's a cream makeup, like a cream eyeshadow palette. It looks exactly like this. This thing, it looks exactly like this, but then is the 5 colors. It's actually has like 5 colors. So the 5 colors is of different like shades, and they use the philosophy of, you know, the coloring of a bruise. You know that when you are free, the bruise is fresh. That place, like the blood clot will be taken there. So it's mostly red that will be like around the eye, around the bruise, and then as time progresses, after 1 or 2 days, the thing will not be like I think they said it will not be a black, blue. Yes, it will not either be a black, blue, or brown color because of the bruise. And then during a black, blue, or purple color because of the blood clot there. And then it's not like to scare anybody, just to show you guys how bruises form, you know, after like how many days of you hitting your head or something like that. So just to explain how the bruises work. So this thing is like a very nice guide, and they use it in special effects makeup, so people are actually, so they can be able to recreate like the bruise no matter how old it is. And then maybe around the 5th to 6th day, the bruise now turns like yellow, or maybe yes, around the 5th, around 5, and in about 5 to 10 days it turns a yellow or green color. So that's basically the understanding of how bruises form. And I've always admired, like, you know, special effects makeup, because the ability to recreate any kind of like situation and everything with makeup is very, very special and very nice. So yeah guys, I went into I'm using my romantic eyeshadow palette, and I used, sorry, the thing was not recording, I used this red shade here that is closer to like dark red. So I just put it around the places that I want the bruises to show, so it looks more realistic. And I put it here. This is where I said I would put it because my eye bags here are bigger, so it looks a little bit swollen. And then here at the top of my forehead, just dabbing it into the skin. I'm using my blush brush, the brush I use for my blush, this fluffy, like, to tap into the skin. This is dark brown to show like that it's already dark, like it has stayed long. So I'm reading down these edges so it doesn't look so. I'm using the Robert eyeshadow trio, and I'm using this dark brown to like create the illusion that the thing has stayed, the bruise has actually stayed long. So I'm just blending that very well. It's just at the outer corner, so to look like, you know, they have bruised it out. Now I'm going to use tea sponge to layer on the purple, but I want to use pink. I'm dark skinned, so I want it to come out. So I'm just using the tip of the beauty sponge, and I'm just going to be putting that in the middle so it will look ready. Now I know that you guys are probably thinking, what the heck is she using this lipstick for? Well, I realized that I wanted that like to complete the whole look. I had to like also do something on my lips, although dry and chappy lips would have worked, but I wanted to have that like illusion of swollen lips, and I found out that this lip gloss actually makes my lip look bigger. So that's why I applied it, in case you guys are wondering. So it's because my lips are swollen. I hate happened to your face. That's swollen up. What happened to it? I don't even know what to say. I cannot say anything. You cannot say anything. I cannot say anything.
What happened? No.
I don't see my face.
I've seen it.
What
What happened now?
I didn't say anything. I'm not seeing anything.
I've seen it now.
This is a completed look. I hope you guys use this knowledge well. I was able to like use the ones I had to recreate.
Goed met je, wat gebeurt
Allee,
er?
Harry, hou dich te muilen.
Oh,
Dat
oké.
is de vloeken voor de cannabis in. Dat heb ik niet toch al 100 keer
Ja, dat is net in van het dak gevallen. Zo.
Wat? Oeh. Ach, zeg hem. Ja, maar.
So guys, put it down in the comment section down below what you think about this video. That's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the talking with you kind of video. I don't think I was interesting enough, but at least I said enough to not make the tutorial boring. You know, when you've stayed at home for like a year and it's looking like it's not even going anywhere, and the reason why you're staying at home, it doesn't make any sense. It's making sense, so I get it. They need to be paid, but the drastic measures that they will take, 2 months, 3 months, students will be staying at home. Even though students are saying that they like it, you know, there's no student that wants to go to school. Not like there's negative way, but you know, now all this stress of school, even myself, if I'm not thinking about school, you get tension. But it's not for our own good. That's shy, because if you think about it at the long run, if you have planned out, like, I know God makes plans, like God is the one that will, God's time is the best, I know, but the fact that man-made, like this is a man-made kind of thing, and they want to stretch like this period in someone's life, like stretch it to the point that it's going to take them, like, instead of graduating in 4 years, they'll be graduating in 6 years, and then when they now come out, by that time everywhere is filled, like in fact, it's as if people are wishing that they were in school like since in olden days. Not like in olden days, like that time when school was school, they didn't do these kind of things. School was like something that was like so civilized and so serious. But now where everything is just laissez-faire, online classes everywhere. Everybody should do online classes. I'm not trying to negate anybody or say anything bad, because everybody has their reasons, and if I put myself in their shoes, I know that they'll be suffering. But I don't feel like, me personally, I would want students to stay at home for like 2 months. If they don't do this thing, and not just 2 months, like it has stretched over, like it has stretched, and it's really bad, because we the students, we do not want to grow old in university. I know I'm exaggerating, but it's the fact. It's the fact. At least now we might be saying, it's enjoyable, but look at lockdown. 1 whole year went. Like the first 6 months we were at home because of lockdown. Then the last 6 months was strike made us stay at home till the next year. This time around is not somehow, because we already suffered a lot of setbacks from the 1 year we stayed at home. A lot of JAM students that have finished, that have passed, they are waiting for. In fact, the process is too long, guys. The process is too long. It is bad. Just, you know, this feeling where like you are already seeing school as something that is like something like that, over my shoulder. This was not how it was before, and it was not how it was before. I know that everybody they have their reasons for what they did, and the government should do what they are supposed to do. But whoever's part it is to play, they should play it, so that students can go back to school and start their lives and not stay at home. They should be doing their own things now. They should be working. They don't expect us to stay. They don't expect everybody to stay at home for like. They don't expect everybody to stay home for like how many years or how many months. We've already lost time, guys. We've already lost time. 1 whole year. 1 whole year to 2020. 1 whole year to staying at home, lockdown. Lot of mental problems, mental stresses and everything that went on that 2020. And then 2021, everybody was like trying to catch up with the new everything. Everything was rushing, studies were rushing. You see, you enter today, you are graduating. Like, it was stressful, and now you want to do another setback for us 2022. and it's all over Nigeria. Like the education system should like please buckle up, do something. We need to go to school. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.